We are here at a humble setup. There's a lot of widows living in Idlib. Many of them have lost their husbands. The challenge that they face is that the basic necessities like light and water, they do not have access to that. It's a luxury. Some of the families only get water once in 10 days. Electricity is extremely expensive, so not every home has electricity. As you can see here in one of the houses here, this is all they have, the kitchen here. Allahu Akbar. These vouchers, inshallah, will assist them with the monthly expenses to cover the rent and all other utilities, inshallah.
الوحيد لا بنت أكبر منه. جزاكم الله كل خير.